Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart, we're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. Top one dresses from Free Assembly. So these have the ruching, has that squared neckline, flowy with the crochet trim, smocking through the back, in the black, also comes in blue, and they're $36. Dresses from Free Assembly. So these have that high neckline, ruching, the drop tier, nice and flowy, has a little tie detail with the opening in the back, comes in white, also in the rust, and they're $28. So new tops from Free Assembly. So these have that smocked kind of strapped squared neckline, embroidered eyelet bottom with the scallop trim, and then the seam around the back with the little buttons. These are going to be $24. So new fish dress. So we saw these pants before from Free Assembly. Now they have this little tie dress. It has the thin straps, elastic, flowy poplin material, and then it continues around the back with the smocking. And these are going to be $32. No flutter sleeve top from Jessica Simpson. So these have that high neckline. It has this lace kind of detail, flowy fit, and then it's the same around the back with the little keyhole. Comes in the black floral, also in this like peachy beige, and they're going to be $22. Right next to it, they restocked the flare jeans from Jessica Simpson. So these look like they're a high rise. They have the whiskering, my favorite boot cut jeans other than the Sophia. And then the same fit through the back. And these are $24. So new mineral wash tees from Jessica Simpson. These have that crew neckline, that side seam detail. They're stretchy, shorter, and then the seam through the back. And the pink also comes in red or black. And these are $16. I always say this is called like vintage red, but some Rich always says it's pink, and then I think you guys let me know that you thought it was pink as well, so that's why I said red. Oh, Sophia denim vest. So this one has that high neckline. It has silver hardware, seam detail, nice and fitted with a little V. That seam kind of fit through the back, and they are going to be $22. So I did an outfit idea a couple days ago with this, and they were not available online yet, so hopefully they added those. New wide leg jeans from Celebrity Pink. So this is called the slouchy leg. I think they're high rise. They have the whiskering, flowy through the leg, in this dark acid wash. Also comes in the lighter kind of wash, and those are $20.50. It's that new cardigan from Celebrity Pink. This one has that scoop neckline, has the oversized tortoise buttons, really pretty pointelle detailing with the ombre look. Also has the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, in the pink and ivory. And then how pretty is this one? I love the confetti, the blue with the purple. And those are $20.50. So new boxy eyelet tops from Celebrity Pink. These have the smaller collar, full button, this little drawstring detail, the eyelet trim, and then the seam fit through the back, in the white and blue. And they are going to be $14.50. And then to match, they have these little pull-on shorts. So they have that elastic waistband, drawstring, the same little trim in both the blue and white. And the shorts are going to be $13.50. So new dress from Celebrity Pink. So this one has that scoop neckline, the little tie detail, puff sleeve, Henley buttons, a drop tier. Continues around the back with the little tie. In the blue denim, also comes in the brown. The brown is like a lighter weight material. And these are going to be $20.50. Dresses from Madden NYC. These have the lace strap, this little tie detail, padded cups, fit and flare. In this black floral lace, also comes in the brown with the pink. And they are $19.50. New mock neck dresses from Madden NYC. So these have that high neckline. It's a nice kind of stretchy material, fitted shorter through the front, and then the seam fit through the back with the little opening. Comes in the mauve, also in black. That's what it looks like on. And these are going to be $14.50. No flowy tanks from Madden NYC. These have the thin strap, this little ruche detailing. It's flowy with the smocking in the back. Comes in the gold, also in the black leopard. And these are going to be at $13.50. New little lace tanks from Madden NYC. So these have that high neckline, sleeveless, shorter through the front and back. In the black. I think it also comes in white because they have the skirt that matches. In the white, the tops are $14.50. And then the skirt has that fold over. How cute. It's like a little handkerchief hem. And that's what it looks like on. It looks like it has a different top. I don't see that top here. And these are $14.50. Also new lace trim skirts from Celebrity Pink. So they have the button zip pleated. Only $14.50 in the dark wash. Also comes in that lighter wash. It looks like small, medium, large. They usually have plus available as well. Also new tie front dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, this little tight detail, the cutout, longer maxi length with the slit. Has that square back in the brown and pink. Also the green and white. And they're $20. No sweat shorts from No Boundaries. So these have an elastic waistband. Inside is a French terry material. Has the raw hem at the bottom. And then the same fit through the back. Comes in teal. There's pink, black. And they are going to be, I don't know why they took all the tags off. So new colors in the ribbed flare pants. So these have that high waist elastic band. It's flowy through the leg with the lettuce trim. That same fit through the back. We saw the black. Now they have this new purple color. And they're $8.98. New cow print mini skirt from No Boundaries. This one has the button zip, raw hem at the bottom, pockets on the back. They also have it in the blue pinstripe, that light blue color. We saw the other blue. And I think these are $11.98. Also new denim shorts. So these are high rise. This is mom short. They have the finished hem pockets in the light chambray, and then also in this dark wash. Also new sweatpant from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband. Inside is a French terry material. The side pocket, flowy through the leg. Color in this dress from Time and True. So this has that elastic around the neckline, the flutter sleeve, elastic in the waist, flowy. In the blue, we saw that last week. Now it comes in the black. And they are going to be $17.98. New colors in this dress from Time and True. So these have the high neckline, flutter sleeve, elastic. We saw it in that blue. Now it comes in red and burgundy. And I think they're $18.98. Have the new pull-on jeans from No Boundaries. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, jogger bottom. In the lighter color, there's a mid-tone. Oh no, those have the straight leg. These also have that. And then these have the jogger bottom. So these two washes in this cut. And then they also have this style. This is a pull-on wide leg mid-rise. It has a drawstring, flowy through the leg in this wash with the whisker. And this is like one shade darker. And this one has the pork chop pockets with that inside, and then also comes in this camel. These are all $14.98. New cargo jeans from No Boundaries. These are high rise. They have the button, pork chop pockets, also the flat pockets through the leg, and then the same fit through the back. And these are $19.98. New colors in the Henley button dress from No Boundaries. So these have a thin strap, scoop neckline, longer length. This is a huge favorite in my outfit ideas. They love that dress. And then also comes in the blue and black. And these are $14.98. Also new mini skirts from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband. It does have the built-in shorts. These are pretty short, but they're really stretchy. There's white, black, burgundy, and blue. And they're $10.98. Above it, they have these new rib tanks. They have the thinner strap, scoop neckline. In the navy, also comes in the pink stripe, the gray, and blue. New seamless tanks from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, scoop neckline. You could see that seamless detail In the white also comes in pink. There's teal and black, and they're $6.98. Also, new square neck bow tank from No Boundary. So there's a thicker, it's really soft material. It's ribbed, has that square neckline. In the ivory, also comes in the burgundy. There's black and blue, and they'll be linked down below. New graphic tees from No Boundary. So these have that V neckline. It's a jersey material. So you could see that mesh, 84, with the same kind of fit through the back. And then they have a black with O2. And those are $10.98. New little plaid tanks from No Boundary. So these have that ribbon tank sleeve, V neckline, the little bow. It's a textured material, squared in the back. These are flying off the shelves in the baby blue. Also comes in burgundy. And they are going to be $9.98. We have these new fold over flared pants from No Boundaries. These are really stretchy fold over. These are so nice for the price. In the blue, there's green and black. But I love this legging material. It's not like, this one's different. So you could see they do have them in black though. It's like this soft kind. And this one's from No Boundaries. It's under $12, has the side button, little pleating. In the brown plaid, also comes in the gray, and 48 cents. So you could get two for less than the price of one. They have the thin strap, nice and long length. In the white, red, gray, pink, coral, black, navy, brown. There's beige, teal, camel, and green. And that's what they look like out. So new tank, and it looks like a skirt set. So this is a nice kind of activewear material. So that's what the tank looks like. It has the thinner strap, that scoop neckline, cropped. Skirt is fitted. And then the same through the back. Only seeing the burgundy and white, and the two pieces are only $13.46. Like a returned item from Time and Tro with a little sheer with the cami underneath. I don't know if these will still be available, but I'll have them linked. New graphic tee from Time and Tro. So they have Rolling Stones. This one has the little stones on it, and these are still only $9.98. This one is Queen. We saw that. We saw New Mexico. We saw Pink Floyd. I think that's the only new one. How cute is this new cover up from the Megan Stallion, I think Hot Girl Summer. This one has that little tie. I really love this. And these are going to be $18. Over across the men's section, they have these new pull-on pants. So these look really good. They have that French terry drawstring, the cargo pocket. I would just size down one or two because they're going to be a flowy leg. So it's a sleep pant. And the pink, gray, blue. How pretty is that blue? There's rust, khaki, charcoal, green, and brown. And those are $12.98. Tanks from Joyce Bun. So these have the thicker strap, scoop neckline, good length. They also have a built-in shelf bra. Same kind of fit through the back. In the beige, there's black, pink, and blue. And I think they're $7.98. New Henley tanks from No Boundary. So these are in like the pajama section. It's super soft, stretchy. Has the 3 buttons. Same fit through the back. In the green, also comes in this pink floral. And they're $6.48. And to match, they have these little pull-on shorts in the same prints and colors. And they are going to be $6.98. And then right next to that, new French terry shorts. So these are pretty short. They have that elastic waistband, super soft, stretchy. That's what the inside looks like. I have pants in this material. They're like my favorite pajama pants. So these come in gray, also in the burgundy, and they are going to be $7.98. New wide leg pajama pants from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, fold over, nice and flowy. It's not like a true flannel. It's a little bit lighter. That's what they look like on the inside. In the leopard, there's a couple plaid, the burgundy, green, and then blue, and those are $12.98. These are the tees to match. They have that crew neckline, side seam detail. They are more of a shorter, boxy fit. In the number 3, they have the little bear. There's Ciao Bella. How cute. You could even wear these. They don't have to be sleep tees. 94. Tees are going to be, doesn't say, I think 948. And then they also have the little boxer shorts. And that's all those same prints and colors and the same flannel material. In the leopard, the blue and green, that burgundy. And they'll be linked down below. New long line sports bras from Avia. So these have the thicker strap, square neckline. It's a cropped kind of fit. It's a medium support. In the teal, they also have taupe and then white, and those are $15.98. Pretty is this one with the multi-strap. This is also medium support. Has a little crisscross with the keel on the back. In the red also comes in this gray and white. There's a black and then that light blue color. These are $13.98. Also new shoulder bag from Madden NYC. So this has a thicker strap, that little tassel detail, a gold buckle, and they're $25. So new shoulder bags from Madden NYC. So there's a nylon material. It has the top zip, this crossbody strap, and also the chain strap. In this orangey red, also comes in the black, and they'll be linked down below. So new sneakers from No Boundaries. So these have the round toe. They have this really plush tongue with thicker laces. Comes in the purple and white, gray and white, and black, and they're $24.98. Loafers from Aerosoles. These have the round toe, that silver buckle. It has the gripper bottom. They're also available in wide width, and they're $32. Colors in these sandals from No Boundaries. These have the square toe, the thong style with the kitten heel now in their burgundy. Also in this white and black zebra. The zebra is like a fuzzy material. So new Time and True loafers. So these have that longer toe, the gold buckle, chunky heel in the back, in the burgundy. Also new color in these slip-on loafers from Time and True. So these have the round toe, the little cutout detail, almost completely flat. Now in the black. We also saw them in the navy, and they're $22.98. Brought back the scrunch back sneakers. They looks like they got rid of the little back design, but these have the round toe. They're almost completely flat. I've bought these before. They're almost like walking on like with bare feet. They're not like really supportive, but if you like that feeling, then definitely try these because they're only $14.98. So they have this black and then also white. Also brought back these sneakers from Time and True. These have the round toe. It's a canvas material. They're $12.98 in the black and then also in white. Sneak peek boots from Madden NYC. These have the pointed toe, kitten heel, the zipper on the inside, and these are $50. On these Madden NYC boots, these have the round toe, the little moto buckle. They're stretchy with the zipper. And these are $50. New colors in the sneakers from Avia. These have the round toe, the lift in the back. These are $28.98. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.